Hi, and welcome to Algebra 1 in this most exciting year. My name is Mrs. Lohr, and I will be your algebra teacher this trimester at a minimum. Hopefully, I get to keep most, if not all of you, all year. To tell you a little bit about myself, this is my 18th year teaching and my 12th year here at Park. I've taught Algebra 1 almost every year that I've been at Park. I have two boys. One is entering 6th grade. He's going to be 12 in a couple of weeks, and he's going to Woodbury Middle School in the Spanish immersion program. And my younger son is going into 4th grade at Nuevas Fronteras, and their names are Jeremiah and Eli. I've been married for 15 years. My biggest passion is Vikings football. I'm so excited for Viking season to start. My favorite thing to do on Sundays. We have a dog named Bosco. He's a Lab Shepherd mix, and he's about 4 years old. In addition to that, my favorite hobby is reading. Other than that, I spend a lot of time hanging out with my family and making sure that we have awesome lesson plans ready for you guys. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of Schoology and how our time together is going to work this year and how you can access the material that you'll need for this course. So all of you will at some point be accessing material from home without my support, whether you're a Virtual Learning Academy student or a hybrid student. So first of all, the course information folder has the syllabus and what will change to a page for Google Meet. The link won't work, so what you're going to have to do is copy and paste the link into a separate browser. I need to update that for you, but that will be in this course information folder. So anytime you need to set an appointment with me, I will have office hours every Monday through Thursday from 2:45 until 3:30. On Friday, we have scheduled time for our first hour class, which will be this link as well. Anytime that we meet, whether it's scheduled or by appointment, we'll use this Google Meet. To access course content, you will go into the current folder. I tried to make it as self-explanatory as possible so that you were able to easily find everything from home. So you can see right here, week 1, when you go into this folder, you will see everything we're working on for the week. Now on day 1 and day 2, that material is for anyone who is in 10th through 12th grade. The freshmen will have their orientation those 2 days, the freshmen that are coming into the building, and we'll have different material that we'll be working on in class. And then we're going to start Unit 1. So I always post an assignment sheet that lets you know the topic that we're covering each day and what is expected of you. So here's a quick overview of what exactly we're going to be doing for the first unit. It also lets you know which day is meeting in person. So notice this Friday, the first Friday, our A students will be meeting. Normally, that's a distance learning day for everybody, but because our A students miss out on Monday due to Labor Day, we're giving them that extra opportunity to see us in person. So which lesson are we working on, and what's the topic for that lesson? And then other things to look forward to are the tests. So you will be taking your exams in class, and when you are not in class, you might have something different. So for example, on Monday when the A day meets, they will be testing in class, but the B group will have to start Unit 2, and then the next day they'll switch. The B group will be testing in class while the A group starts Unit 2. Finally, in each lesson folder, again, they are all dated, so you know exactly when you are finding each folder. You will see a few things. The first thing is the notes. You can download these. They're a fill-in-the-blank note. They can go right into Notability. Or if you prefer paper and you want to take notes on paper, that's fine too, but the notes are there as an option for you. The next thing that you will need to access is the video. So all of the videos will have this orange square icon next to them. These are linked through Edpuzzle. So when you click on this for the first time, it will take you to Edpuzzle. Now, because I'm already a member of Edpuzzle, it took me right to the video. Because you might not be a member of Edpuzzle, depends on whether or not you've used it in the past. It might ask you to log in, use your school email account and password. I believe there will also be an option that'll just say log in through Google, and you can enter your school information there as well. And once you've signed in the first time, that's it. It'll take you right to the video for every other lesson video that there is, and you can just go ahead and play it right from Schoology. Underneath each video will be the lesson assignment. You will download that. I would like you to submit it each day. However, if you have questions on it and it's a day that you're working from home, then you can wait until the next day in class to ask those questions to get it finished up before you turn it in. Or of course, if you're one of my VLA students, just let me know that you need to get a hold of me and we'll set up a meeting so that I can help you out so you can be successful on that assignment. And then each day there will be an attendance question. Now, attendance is not just based on did you answer the question. It is based on did you complete some schoolwork. So the big thing for me is watching the video every day. The lessons we can work on together, whether in person or through Google Meets, but the video must be watched on your own. The big thing about watching videos is to use the pause button. I left very little time in between what I said and what I was writing and moving on to the next example, and you will not be able to keep up by just pushing play and letting it run. You will have to use the pause button. You might need to rewind and go back because you missed something as you were writing and you need to just hear it and process it without writing at the same time. Another strategy that some students do is they'll watch the whole video the first time and take notes, and then they'll watch it the second time and just listen and process, or you could do that in the reverse order as well. One final reminder is that you are expected to work on this class for 90 minutes a day. To be perfectly honest, you shouldn't need that much time. Each video will be 10 to 12 minutes usually. There's no guarantee. It might be a little longer, it might be a little shorter some days. But the total time it takes you to watch the video and take notes may end up being 15 to 20 minutes by the time you do some pausing and rewinding. Or it may be 20 to 30 minutes if you watch each video twice. And then we have that additional 75 minutes in class if you're in an in-person day or whatever you need to work on your assignments. The assignments should not take you more than 20 minutes. So even on a day when you're home working by yourself, we're talking you should be done with my class in about an hour, even though that expectation is 90 minutes. So I just want to make sure that when you look at my videos and they might seem a little long, because we've crunched the amount of time that we have to get through all of this material, it is going to take you more time than you're used to spending on one class in a day. All right, that is it. Of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can either email me, mlohr, Loahr, @sawashco.org, or you can send me a message through Schoology. And the way you do that is the little mail icon at the top, and you just start typing in my name. I am so excited to meet each and every one of you, and I look forward to our time together this year.